Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring three important structures: would be, and would have.
These expressions talk about hypothetical situations, past habits, and unreal past events.
Understanding all three makes your English more sophisticated.
They're used constantly in conversations and writing.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each one.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what would is.
Would is a modal verb.
It expresses hypothetical situations, polite requests, past habits, and imagined scenarios.
It's the past form of will, but has many special uses.
Now let's explore each form.
Form 1. Would plus base verb.
This is the basic form of would.
Structure. Subject plus would plus base verb.
I would go, she would help, they would agree.
Uses of would plus base verb.
Use 1. Hypothetical situations. Imaginary, not real.
I would travel the world if I had money. I don't have money, so this is imaginary.
She would help if she could. She can't, so it's hypothetical.
Use 2. Polite requests.
Would you help me? More polite than will you help me?
Would you like some coffee? Polite offer.
Use 3. Past habits. Things you did regularly in the past.
When I was young, I would play outside every day. Regular past action.
We would visit our grandparents every summer. Repeated past action.
Use 4. Preferences.
I would rather stay home. I prefer to stay.
She would prefer tea over coffee. Her preference.
Form 2. Would be plus adjective, noun, or verb ing.
This adds the verb be after would.
Structure, subject plus would be plus adjective, noun, or verb ing.
Examples with adjectives.
That would be nice. It would be difficult. I would be happy.
Examples with nouns.
She would be a great teacher. This would be the answer. It would be a mistake.
Examples with continuous. Would be plus verb ing.
I would be working if I had a job. You would be sleeping now if you were tired.
When to use would be? Use it for imaginary states or ongoing actions.
States. I would be happier in a warmer climate. Imaginary state.
Continuous. I would be studying if I had my books. Imaginary ongoing action. Form 3. Would have plus past participle.
This talks about unreal past, things that didn't happen.
Structure. Subject plus would have plus past participle.
I would have gone, she would have helped, they would have known.
This expresses unreal past.
Uses of would have. Use 1. Imaginary past. What could have happened but didn't.
I would have called you, but my phone died. I didn't call because of this.
She would have come, but she was sick. She didn't come.
Use 2. Regret about missed opportunities.
I would have studied medicine. I didn't, and maybe I regret it.
Use 3. Unreal past conditions. Third conditional.
If you had known, I would have told you. I didn't know, so I didn't tell.
If she had asked, I would have helped. She didn't ask, so I didn't help.
The key differences. Would plus verb equals hypothetical present or future or past habit.
Would be equals imaginary states or continuous actions.
Would have equals imaginary past, didn't happen.
Different times and realities.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, Linda. If you won the lottery, what would you do?
Oh, I would buy a big house by the beach.
That would be amazing. Where would it be?
It would be in Hawaii. I would be living my dream.
Would you quit your job?
Yes, I would travel for a year first.
That sounds wonderful. You know, I would have bought a lottery ticket yesterday, but I forgot.
Really? You would have had a chance to win.
I know. If I had remembered, I would have stopped at the store.
Well, when I was younger, I would buy lottery tickets every week.
Did you ever win?
No, I would have been rich by now if I had. What would you do with lottery money?
I would invest it. That would be the smart thing to do.
You would be wiser than me. I would just spend it all.
Did you notice all three forms?
I would buy a house, hypothetical, present, future.
I would buy a house, hypothetical present, future.
That would be amazing. Imaginary state.
Where would it be? Hypothetical location.
I would be living my dream. Imaginary continuous action.
Would you quit your job? Hypothetical question.
I would travel. Hypothetical action.
I would have bought a ticket. Unreal past didn't happen.
You would have had a chance to win. Unreal result.
If I had remembered, I would have stopped. Third conditional didn't happen. I would buy tickets every week. Past habit.
I would have been rich. Unreal past result.
I would invest it. Hypothetical future action.
That would be the smart thing. Imaginary state.
You would be wiser. Hypothetical comparison.
All three forms used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using wrong form for time.
Wrong. I would have go. Correct. I would have gone. Past participle.
Wrong. I would went. Correct. I would go. Base verb.
Match the form to the meaning.
Mistake 2. Confusing would with will.
Wrong. If I have money, I would buy it. Mixed conditional.
Correct. If I had money, I would buy it. Second conditional.
Or, if I have money, I will buy it. First conditional.
Mistake 3. Using would of instead of would have.
Wrong. I would have known. Correct. I would have known.
It's would have, never would of.
Mistake 4. Forgetting have in past unreal.
Wrong. I would gone. Correct. I would have gone.
Always include have for unreal past.
Mistake 5. Using would in if clause of second conditional.
Wrong. If I would have money, I would buy it. Correct. If I had money, I would buy it. Use simple past in if clause, would in the result clause.
Would in conditionals.
Second conditional, unreal present.
If plus past simple, would plus base verb.
If I were rich, I would travel. I'm not rich, so I'm not traveling.
If you really loved her, you would tell her. You don't really love her, so you won't tell her.
Third conditional, unreal past.
If plus past perfect, would have plus past participle.
If I had studied, I would have passed. I didn't study, I didn't pass.
If you had told me the truth, I would have forgiven you. You didn't tell me the truth, so I didn't forgive you.
These are crucial patterns.
Negative forms.
Wouldn't plus base verb.
I wouldn't go. She wouldn't help. They wouldn't agree.
Wouldn't be plus adjective or continuous.
That wouldn't be good. I wouldn't be working.
Wouldn't have plus past participle.
I wouldn't have known. She wouldn't have done that.
Same patterns in negative.
Questions with would.
Would plus subject plus verb.
Would you help? Would she come? Would they agree?
Would plus subject plus be.
Would you be happy? Would this be okay? Would they be ready?
Would plus subject plus have plus past participle.
Would you have gone? Would she have known? Would they have helped?
Questions follow same patterns.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 second conditional sentences using would plus verb.
Day 2. Write 10 sentences using would be for imaginary states.
Day 3. Write 10 third conditional sentences using would have.
Day 4. Practice polite requests with would.
Day 5. Describe past habits using would.
Day 6, notice which form native speakers use in movies.
Day 7, explain the 3 forms to another learner.
By week's end, you'll use them naturally.
Understanding would be doing.
Would be plus verb ing shows imaginary ongoing action.
I would be sleeping if I were home. I'm not home, so I'm not sleeping.
You would be working now if you had gotten the job. You didn't get it.
It describes imaginary continuous actions.
Understanding would have been.
You can combine would have with been.
I would have been happy. Unreal past state.
She would have been a doctor, didn't become one.
We would have been there earlier. We weren't.
Combines unreal past with states.
Contractions.
In speaking, we contract would.
I would to I'd.
She would to she'd.
Would have to would've. Sounds like would've.
Would not to wouldn't.
Listen for these in native speech.
Would for polite requests.
Would makes requests very polite.
Would you mind closing the door?
Would it be possible to reschedule?
Would you like some help?
Much more polite than direct requests.
Would rather.
Special expression for preference.
I would rather stay home. I prefer to stay.
She'd rather have tea. She prefers tea.
Would you rather go now or later? Which do you prefer?
Very common expression.
Would for past habits.
Different from used to, but similar meaning.
I would walk to school every day. Past habit.
We would eat dinner together. Repeated past action.
But use used to for past states. I used to be shy, not I would be shy.
Would for actions, used to for actions and states.
Real-life contexts.
Imagining scenarios.
I would love to visit Japan. That would be incredible. It would be expensive.
Giving advice hypothetically.
I wouldn't do that if I were you. That would be a mistake. You would be happier here. Talking about unreal past.
I would have helped you if I had known. Things would have been different. Different situations.
Would in reported speech.
Will changes to would in reported speech.
Direct, I will help you. Reported, he said he would help me.
Direct, it will be fine. Reported, she said it would be fine.
Common transformation.
Comparing would and should.
Should equals advice or obligation.
You should study. It's good advice.
Would equals hypothetical or preference.
I would study if I had time, but I don't have time.
Different meanings.
Would in wishes.
I wish plus would equals wanting someone to change behavior.
I wish you would listen to me. Please change.
I wish it would stop raining. Wanted to change.
Expressing frustration or desire for change.
Emphatic would.
Would can show typical behavior, often negative.
He would say that. That's typical of him.
She would forget. Typical behavior.
Slight frustration implied.
Timeline visualization.
Let's see the timeline.
Unreal past. I would have gone. Didn't happen in past.
Present hypothetical. I would go. Not real now, but imagining.
Future hypothetical. I would go tomorrow. Imagining future.
Past habit. I would go every day. Repeated past action.
Different time perspectives.
More detailed examples.
Let's see more real-life usage.
Making hypothetical plans.
I would love to learn Spanish.
That would be fun.
I would be fluent in a year.
Expressing preferences.
I would rather walk than drive.
She would prefer morning meetings.
Talking about unreal situations.
If I were a bird, I would fly everywhere. Life would be so different.
Discussing missed opportunities.
I would have taken that job if I had known. Things would have been better.
All contexts covered. Would with different subjects.
With I, you, we, they. I would go. You would love it. We would help. They would agree.
With he, she, it, he would understand, she would be perfect, it would work.
Same form for all subjects.
Expressing willingness.
Would can show willingness or refusal.
She would help anyone. She's willing.
He wouldn't listen to advice. He refused.
Positive or negative willingness.
Would in polite offers.
Very common in service situations.
Would you like coffee or tea? Would you prefer a window seat? What would you like to order?
Polite and professional.
Would for predictions based on knowledge.
When you know someone well.
She would never do that. I know her character.
That would be just like him. Typical behavior.
Based on knowing the person.
Wouldn't have done versus didn't do.
Important distinction.
I wouldn't have told her. If the situation had happened, I wouldn't.
I didn't tell her. Simple fact. I didn't.
Hypothetical versus actual.
Would have been doing.
Combining continuous with unreal past.
I would have been working there if I had gotten the job. Unreal past continuous.
You would have been sleeping when I called. Imagining past continuous.
Complex but useful.
Comparing all three forms.
Same situation, different forms.
Present hypothetical. I would travel more if I had money.
State, I would be happy with more money.
Continuous. I would be traveling right now if I had money.
Past unreal, I would have traveled last year if I had had money.
All about travel, different perspectives.
Cultural expressions.
Common idioms with would.
I would bet, I would say, I would think, I would imagine.
That would be telling. Would you believe it?
Natural expressions.
Would in formal writing.
Very common in academic and business writing.
The results would suggest that. This would indicate.
It would be advisable to, one would assume.
Professional tone.
Quick review.
Would be plus adjective plus noun plus verb ing equals imaginary states or continuous.
Would have plus past participle equals unreal past.
Second conditional. If plus past plus would plus verb.
Third conditional. If plus past perfect plus would have plus past participle.
Would for polite requests and preferences.
Negative. Wouldn't plus verb plus be plus have.
Questions. Would plus subject plus verb plus be plus have.
Would've sounds like would of, but write would have.
Contractions. I'd, she'd, wouldn't.
Different from should, hypothetical versus advice.
You now understand all three forms completely.
These are essential for expressing hypothetical ideas.
Practice all three in different contexts.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. If I had more time, I blank practice more. Use would.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.